answer me. Made this? I knew it.
Yo,
Yep.
Yo, good morning.
good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Kalimera.
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 Guys ain't looking too shabby. Top
True.
week, nah. 15 no top.
15. Yep.
Look who we got. YOLO.
Good morning, Mr.
Let's
YOLO.
WWW.
Pranav. W.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, gang.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for pulling up.
Let's get it. Little some, baby.
This is another test stream, so if there are any flukes or anything problematic, just send us a message. You know where to reach us.
Yep.
Yeah. Maybe the music is too loud or just let us know.
Anything. We welcome all feedback.
Good morning, Navman 77. Tamer, good morning.
But yeah. Let's get things started the right way, which we're gonna do
Yes,
every
sir.
time.
Yes,
As
sir.
well. George, break us down.
Yes, sir.
The prayer, please.
We will let's just let's start the session off with the prayer, and then we'll get into the analysis. Alrighty. Jesus, we thank you for this day that you provided for us, Lord. We just want to thank you for this amazing blessing that we're able to gather together. We come before you with immense gratitude for what you're doing in our lives, Lord. I just pray to just go before us, bless each and every one of us that are here this morning. We just pray to be with us for the future during times with family, Lord. I just pray for those that are not with family, that you will just be their family, Father, and they will feel fulfilled with you. And I just pray for this year. We thank you for all that you've done for us in 2025. And I pray you just be with us and bless us for 2026, Lord. We thank you for what you do, and we pray this in your name. Amen.
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 Thank you, George.
Of course. All right, let's see what gold is doing. Just for those who are interested, these 30 buys don't look terrible. I won't be participating because 15 closed with no top wick, but it still looks pretty decent on the 30. Just bear in mind the 4 hour is probably going to close bearish. So yeah, that's all for that. Anyway, the daily is obviously at all-time highs. This right here is all-time high, so not much to see yet, although we don't have much of a bottom wick. But with gold rallying like this, sometimes it doesn't matter. I mean, the previous daily also has no bottom wick. But anyway, 4 hour hasn't tapped any targets because there is no target, but we might close as resistance and we might get a slight pullback. We could pull back to here, but knowing how gold works during these times, it may not. It might just be a snag of the lows and then continue running bullish. So there's not much to see us, sadly. 1 hour is pulling back, which is nice. Obviously, after this massive bullish run, it's nice to see a little pullback. We don't really know where this pullback could come to, so if it does print support, it looks pretty good to make a top wick for the next 4 hour. I may or may not be interested in that. So yeah, if we can print a support like this, we also close with no bottom wick, so no range, and now we've broken the lows. That could be the low of the session, but we don't know yet. This 30 just printed support, which in the grand scheme of things, it looks pretty good. But like I said, 15 closed with no top wick. 4 hour is most likely going to close bearish unless we pull all the way back. But yeah, there's no zone here on the 1 hour except for this one, which could be a target. And on the 30, we have now printed a support, which is really nice. And we've got another zone here, which could be a managing zone, which is 80 pips. So this range is massive. It's definitely a tradable range. which is nice during all-time highs. Buys always like this look really nice. On the 15, we have a support zone right here. We've also got a pretty important zone sitting here. If we could close above here, that would be very good signs to continue moving bullish. But for me personally, I'd probably want to see a close above here so that we can have this clean range, 60 pip advantage points, and then full TP up at 150 pips. I'm definitely more interested in buys, even if this 4-hour close is bearish. We'll just look at the lower time frames to see what it's printing out. But yeah, I'm definitely more inclined to the buys, yeah, even if this 4-hour closes like this. So maybe when this next 4-hour opens up, it prints a little top wick and then breaks these lows, and then we may want to continue back bullish. But we'll see. This 4-hour could very well print bearish and then come all the way down. It would make sense price action wise to come all the way down here, but fundamentally I really highly doubt it. Yeah, let's see what price does. I think that's it for me.
W. Yes, sir.
W.
What did Joel say? He's in NQ shorts targeting 25,600. Taking trade because of gap fill plus wick fill. Traded against previous 4-hour, but previous did close weak. Lewis, are you here by chance?
Yes, sir.
Want to give them an NQ rundown, bro?
Right, that's what I was thinking. Or maybe your thoughts on NQ, or maybe about that comment in particular. Up to you, brother.
Let's see. So I know for previous experience, I know the gap fill is usually a good target, so that's not a bad idea actually. But let me take a look.
Hey, good morning, AB. Did you make it?
They be in the house?
I think he's here.
What up, guys? Good
Let's
morning.
go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning. Good morning. Give me a second. I'm trying to break free.
And just so you guys know, we all have our screens here in Discord, and I think you could potentially like bring them all on screen if one of us gets into a trade or one of us sees something.
Yeah.
And yep.
Yeah, he'll just switch to the streams for us. But coming soon, maybe you won't be in here with us. And saying too much. And saying too much.
Hey.
Hold on, I'll get into the NQ here shortly because I do like these buys on gold.
Looking at the 5 minute.
Yeah, I mean, the 30 looks good.
Right.
The previous 30 has no bottom. We planted some support. Really, most on the 30, and then on the 5. You're starting to break structure and go more towards the upside. Same on the 1.
Yep.
I see a little break and retest off of 4508.1. Got a closure above, so
We are trading 1 minute now.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Who? What?
Wait, we trade 1 minute?
What?
Oh my
Who? What?
god.
what
All right,
part
guys.
of the
Anyway,
playbook is that,
all right,
baby?
go for it. Please do your analysis. I just jumped in.
Vita made this. I knew it.
Yo, Manoosh. Good morning, brother.
Yeah, 30 looks good. Good morning, Manoosh. I'm also tempted. I mean,
Yeah, if I was gonna get in this, I'd probably do this, something like this. This would be my position.
All right, whoever is gonna buy on these 30-minute, on this 30-minute move, all the best, guys. I hope it runs straight to TP for y'all.
I'd definitely manage around this 15 zone.
Sure. Okay,
This zone
from
right
Mr.
here.
Player 4717, bro, a quick question. How do you correlate time frames? Let's say we get a setup on 15 break. Let's say we got a setup on 15, a breakout setup, but 30 didn't close. So on what basis you took trade? I hope you understand my question. Okay.
We see
I
your
think
screen
this
now.
question- Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, that's my screen here. Okay, let's say we get a setup on 15 breakout, but the 30 didn't close. On what basis you take the trade?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah,
It
George, you can
depends
go
on,
first.
yeah, so it depends on all the time zones. Like if you're majorly bullish on all the time zones and you get, let's say, a 15 support like this, but this 30 is still open. In this case, it makes sense to take the buys on the 15, because all the targets have been tapped. You know, this wick was filled almost to the T. And if the 30 is still open, you need to look for signs on the 30. Like, could it move up here? Because we got a support on the 15, but the 30 is still open. You need to make sense of this 30 that has not closed. If it could potentially move up, if it can, if you can understand that it could, then the 15 support looks good. There are many cases where I would take buys or sells on the 15, even though the 30 hasn't closed, but I make sense of it on the 30. It needs to make sense. They need to correlate, but the 30 doesn't necessarily need to close. Do you understand? So you look at the higher time frames, look at the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minutes, but the 15 minute closed. It's nice to trade the 15 because it's obviously quicker closures and they give you almost more immediate price action than the 30 and the 1 hour. So yeah, I would just say make sense of it on the higher time frames if you're gonna take it on the 15. But 15 is a good executing candle.
Vita made this. I knew it.
Aaron, what about push-ups? Or it's too early for that?
Too early for that. Too early. Way
It's too early.
Yep. You guys know what it is. I'll do the amount of push-ups that we get for likes on the stream. It's YouTube, right? We can do it with this is
Yeah.
likes, right? Yeah.
Can we get the breakdown of Asian trade by AB Mike? How did it manage on 1 minute and why he like 1 minute advantages and disadvantages? All right, guys, lock in. Janusz, if you can share my screen with everybody,
you
that
already.
would be because, yeah, everybody is about to go for a ride.
But not ready, bro.
They ain't ready. All right. Do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
All right, perfect, guys. 1 minute or the daily time frame, it all makes sense. It all makes sense. I mean, ultimately, what we are trying to do is watch candles print and then execute the trade that goes on. I mean, where the next candle is going. Very honestly, we as traders, we are not doing anything major other than that. We are just drawing lines up on a chart and trying to predict where it's going next. So what usually forms on the daily time frame also forms on the 1 minute time frame. The structure, higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs, lower lows, or if the market is ranging, it will then just be like consolidating between a higher high and a higher low, and then it would just keep on grabbing liquidity and keep ranging. So there are multiple ways in which a market moves. So The trade that I took on the 1 minute, it looked something like this. All right, now that's a very clean push, a really good trade, which is all well and good. However, the main thing is just like how it was printing. And if you guys are coming on here from TTE or from Raja Banks, or from any of the other price action traders, this might sound a bit advanced, but honestly it isn't. When I got into the charts last night, everything was running up bullish. The previous daily highs were broken with a lot of momentum. 4 hour, 1 hour, all the time frames were aligning, and they would just keep on going up and up and up. Now, when I got onto the charts, we were somewhere here. These were the two candles that were getting printed on the 15-minute time frame. So I was like, okay, there was this initial push up, and then another push up, and then this candle here that you see, the 15-minute. So here you can see it has a bit of bigger wicks on both the upside and the downside, compared to these two candles. So what does that mean? If I just focus on this green candle, we have been taught that wicks are nothing but candle closures on the lower time frames. So technically this then became a really nice range, and also where price consolidated a bit before after making a bit of a move up. So then what was the next thing that was coming in? So the next thing was the last 15-minute of the hourly candle that was forming. So then I jumped down to the lower time frames, because see, if I would now wait for a 15-minute or a 30-minute closure, I might not get the entry that I want. So in those cases, I find it better to switch to the lower time frames and then see what kind of structure is going on there. So then I just came onto the lower time frames and I see what price is actually doing. So here we see price is just moving up, and also the most important thing to notice is this candle, and then again this candle, and even this candle. So what are these three candles basically representing? They are representing that there is a lot of bullish momentum here. So I was banking up on that. Also, once you guys are a bit more regular on the streams and get to know, okay, how I trade and the way I trade, all these plays will make more sense. However, the main thing for me was, okay, if price is moving up like this, it's moving up, retracing, and then breaking the highs, moving into the next range, and then retracing, breaking the highs again here, moving into the next range and retracing. So that was the simple logic, and this was the most recent high that was made on the lower time frames. So the trade was pretty simple. What did I need? I needed a bit of momentum. And from all the teachings that we have been through, all the things and everything, we know that momentum usually comes in or lines up along with higher times of volume. And then this was coming around when I actually got activated in this was right at the 2 a.m. or what is it in NY time, 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. whenever the Asian session opens. So I knew that, okay, Asian session is about to open up, there's gonna be a lot of volume. So I just took the break of the highs on the lower time frame. This was the most recent break of the highs. I had stops below this, and then I just let it rock. There is one thing that you guys will realize with me, I follow a different kind of risk management. So usually what I would do is, whatever the stops are for me on a particular trade, I'll close half of the position at 1-to-1, and I would still hold my original stops and then let the rest just play out till the TP. What does that help me with? Really helps me out with holding the trades longer, because let's say on this trade I had 32 pips of stop loss and I closed half at 32 pips. I went in with 2 GC, I closed half here. So now what happens is, even if now this trade comes all the way back down and hits my SL, I'm not losing any money on this. I'm break even on the trade idea. How? Because let's say if I'm risking 500 on 32 pips and I close half at 32 pips, so now my original stop loss is just 250 and I've closed in 250 in profits. Why did I start using this? Because there were a lot of times where I would get in a trade, I would close some partials and price would come back, take me out at break even, and then keep on running. So I did something like that last night as well. However, I closed full here because I wanted to secure the bag
Out of
and
the trade.
just
Sorry.
call it and just go for it. So I know it might sound like a lot of things right now, a lot of things to
Dang.
grasp, but when you guys will start seeing these plays in real time, and with us guiding you along, yeah, you'll be more and more comfortable with it, and maybe then we can have like really good profits like these. So I hope that answers your question.
Yeah.
Totally.
George, I ended up taking those buys that we were talking about.
Yeah.
On that breakout.
Yeah.
I ended up taking the breakout though.
Salary, it looks after this breaker retest looks pretty decent.
Yeah.
Still needed to close above that resistance. So.
Yeah. 20 something pips based off the 5 and the 1. Based off what Lewis is talking about too. Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice.
Nice little base hit. Wanted to run. I was following on the 1 minute. Barely got me there, but that's all right. Take it. We'll take it.
Yeah, you're out.
Yeah. I was like when AB was talking. I don't know if you guys heard it. It said market filled.
We could have taken 20 trades while AB was talking.
It's okay. It'd be like that sometimes. But AB really has the sauce, guys. You guys don't understand. What he just broke down, I would actually highly recommend to rewind that, go back, and really like break it down and think about what he's saying. Look at where he's winning and where he's exiting his trades, and study it and test it yourselves, because yeah, man, the man is on the
it's definitely something to study and implement. Definitely.
Okay, there's a question from Manoj. He's asking, AB, wasn't it a bit overextended on the 15? See, that is a really nice question. And to answer that, I would say, of course, like, it totally depends from which point of view you're trying to see the trade from. So, the way majority of us know how we have been taught, or how we have learned to read price action, in that case, of course, the most recent support would be here on this 15-minute this support, and then the execution candle was what, around 120 pips away from that. So yeah, from that point of view, it was definitely overextended. However, it's not about that. It's all about what the market is currently doing and how can you take advantage of that. And that usually comes with a lot of experience, a lot of chart time. And then I also want to say this, that you have to be willing to dive into different things just from a learning point of view, and not just implement everything straight away in your strategy. So on the 15th, definitely it was overextended. However, my execution time frame here was on the 1 minute. Now on the 1 minute, it doesn't look overextended at all. and I use the 15, 30, and the 1 hour to basically decide what kind of bias do I have going into this session. What kind of market condition am I in? Is the price just ranging or not moving at all before a higher time of volume, high volume time comes in? So you have to make like sense of all of those things and then have your entries and exits, all those predefined, and then yeah, then go about it. But yeah, 15 was definitely overextended. 1 minute wasn't. And this is what I said before I broke that trade down, that if in such high momentum, high volume times, considering all the context around Goldie being super bullish, if there are so much things, so much volatility that's happening. So yeah, this play was based on the time of the trade coming into the play, and of course like the heavy momentum and a bit of structure on the 1 minute so that you can actually, you know, have stops that are 30-40 pips. So yeah.
Might get a 1 hour support here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks pretty good, yeah. Ideally, I still want this 15 to close above, but if it prints a nice, a good enough bottom wick, I might be interested. Because this 1 hour looks really clean.
I thought the same. And we are
Perfect.
closing
I
above
just
this
don't-
15 resistance from a fresh.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, after a fresh bearish closure, so that's also not bad.
Yeah.
You're out of that trade, Aaron.
Yeah, for sure.
And my bad. I don't know why I was on mute this whole time.
It's all good. I know you took it too, probably.
I did, yeah. Yeah, when I said we were talking about NQ, but then I was like, man, I like these gold buys, so
Right.
I got order filled and then just let it rock.
Are you still holding? I wish I still held, bro. But you know me. I don't like
me
to
too.
hold.
But no, I saw
Yeah.
what's this?
That's what.
Almost
Good morning, Dominic, by the way, brother.
almost 30 pips. I saw.
Yeah,
almost
yeah.
30
I
pips.
saw 24 at least. I mean, I took it at 24, but I was trailing too. So it's like I saw more for sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I saw 30 pips. I closed partials at about 15 pips, and then moved to BE from then. And then I let it rock, and then it got cut out at my BE, but it's all good. I got my green day, so that's day number 2.
Let's go.
W, bro.
Big
W. Nice and early, right, Lewis? Nice and early.
Oh man.
Boys, do you have
Number
background
one.
music? I can't hear anything. I'm getting bored.
I think we can't hear anything because we're in Discord. You know what I mean? But they
Of
can hear it
course
on
you
YouTube.
can hear it on Discord, bro.
Bro, AB,
Like-
you're not a boomer, bro.
Holy shit.
Bro,
He's
I
streaming
am a
his
boomer.
music.
What do you mean? I am.
That was such a boomer
streaming.
question, bro.
But usually that's me, bro. Thank you, AB.
That's funny. Good morning, Dominic. Good morning, brother.
Dominic, what up, brother?
Yes, sir.
There's
They
another
want the
question.
word, Aaron. They want the word.
Hey, let's give him the word then. Perfect. 2 minutes before 4-hour closure. Wish I would have held those buys, but it's okay. That was the lowest thing. Today we got Luke 2, 9 through 10. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news that will cause great joy for all the people." Beautiful. Luke 2, 9 through 10. Thank you. Amen.
Hey, W's in the chat for Luke.
Hey, and with that being said, I pray that everybody here listening and watching has a blessed day for them, their families, their trading accounts, their bank accounts, everybody. Wish you all a blessed day. Let's get it.
Hey.
Little something, baby.
W, bro. You too, bro.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
It's gonna be a
W.
blessed year, gang.
Gold
Gonna
trying
be
to
a
close
blessed
above,
year.
bro.
Bro, man, I wish I would have held those buys.
Gold trying
I
to
don't
close
know.
This
above.
thing just tapped.
stop.
It just tapped my what would have been my full TP.
Yeah, but it
You know,
wasn't.
that's
It doesn't
unfortunate.
matter now.
Yeah, close. We just got a closure. No top
With
wick.
no top wood.
I'm not a huge fan. Not a huge fan.
Wow. To the hell there.
I'm good on that now.
Yeah. Would have been nice, gang.
Yep.
Would have been nice.
Wouldn't that be nice?
The 1 hour looks sharp now.
Just like that. From something looking so beautiful to looking
Nothing.
Because I
terrible.
may not pull up to New York.
That 5 minute though. I'm just kidding.
Okay, there's a question from Prashant. He is like, at what point you decided on switching to lower time frames from previously what we do in TDE 15-minute and above time frames?
We didn't switch anything, bro. Sorry. Just to
Yeah, I mean, very honestly, it's not like switching that now I'm only on the lower time frames. It's just I use the lower time frames to see what the structure is doing and maybe take entries on the lower time frames just so that I can, manage the trade a bit better. This is what I mean. You need to have your own individual fingerprint on trading because you need to know, okay, what kind of time frames are you comfortable with in reading the price. Personally, for me, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, I still use them to do all of my breakdowns. And they are still an essential part of my trading. But there are cases where in certain market conditions, certain times, where you don't really get anything on the higher time frames. And yeah, also when I was learning how to trade from TDE, and then when I was also part of TDE, I went on my own little journey in exploring the plays I always wanted to explore. For example, I really was attracted towards the reversals that used to happen when I was just a beginner trader. So that interest led me to on an exploration journey of so many different strategies. I tried learning about NQ from certain YouTuber. I tried learning about the lower time frames from Don's stream. I tried learning about seeing the market structure very simply from Raja, and then of course, like, I combine all of them together at TDE, and then now I just have my own little fingerprint on trading. I use market structure. That's it. It doesn't mean I don't use 15-minute time frames. I use everything. I think I'm the only one who uses like so many time frames to take a trade. So yeah.
I also think that like if an onion or celery appears, AB's gonna take it, and so would I. It's not like
Yeah.
you don't like just take.
Yeah, it's not like we have
It's not
some
like
beef
we
with
don't like we
those
just
that
threw
are-
away a whole what?
Yeah, it's not like we have some like beef with onions or celeries. It's not like that at all. Aaron, you can continue talking, bro.
Yeah, I'm just saying there was no switch. It was just like
Yeah.
that's what my point was. Like you would still take an onion or celery or whatever. Also, you just use the 1 and the 5 as so do I for more information for our
Yeah.
trades, and that's what it is. We just use from the 1 minute all the way to the daily. It's just like
It's
just an
not
addition.
like it's not a,
It's nothing else.
it's
It's
not
not like
really-
we're switching. It's not like we changed. We just that's our own fingerprint in the way we see the market, and AB sees that, I see that. I understand what he's saying. If you don't see it like that, it's also like all good, But that's just our own fingerprint within the market, and it works for us.
Yeah.
So,
That's
what
not
it is.
really. It's not really like you changed. It's more that you leveled up because it's like an advanced strategy, right? So you need to learn all that before, because you need to understand how the markets are moving and how price action is working to understand the lower time frames. So this is just like leveling up in your skills.
W.
Yeah, bro, it's just adapting. We learn every day. Every single day we learn more about trading.
Okay, how many people do we have? We got like 28 people in
Hey,
the
let's go.
chat right now. I mean, I see 28 people that are watching, but holy guys in the chat, what's up? What's happening? How many trades have you all taken already since last night? Also, where is everybody from? I know I see a lot of names that I know already, but again, let's do a bit of roll call, gang. Where
True,
is
true.
everybody from? Just drop in your countries.
The chat and YouTube stream is a bit delayed. Okay, that's good to know. We'll work on that and fix that, because this is still a test stream. You know what I mean? So we're trying to work out everything before, like, official.
Ohio.
Ohio, there you go.
Ohio,
Hey,
are
let's
you a
go.
brother of Aaron?
Oh,
OH, baby.
Lose.
OH.
Lose your brother from Texas.
Yes,
Yes,
we got
we got
brother
mugs from
Texas.
Oh,
Texas.
there we
got
go.
Mug. We got Tamer from Germany. Wie
Let's
geht's,
go.
mein Bruder? Guten
Guten
Morgen.
Morgen.
Russian.
Guten Morgen, brother.
Prashant is from India. Hey.
Took a L in Asian session, onion. That's all right.
UK,
Happens, bro.
But living in Dubai. Saving some
Living in
taxes,
Dubai.
huh?
Yeah. He's there for the taxes.
Are you the same? Are you the same Ben that I'm thinking about? Okay.
Hey, Ben, what's up, brother? Yes, sir. Ben does it right, bro. Going to Dubai.
Okay. Another question from Manush. Hey AB, when you execute on the 5 minute, do you wait for 15-minute closure to execute, or you also execute when the 15-minute candle has not closed? Hope you understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Basically, I don't really wait for 15 closures. However, if price is in such a position where, or such an area on the charts where waiting for a 15 makes sense, then I would wait for a 15 closure as well. It's just that I like to keep everything very fluid, and just make the best use of the candle anatomy and also the market structure, how it's printing and things like that. uh yeah, just to increase my odds of winning the trade. That's it. I don't do anything like super magical or things like that. But don't worry about all of that, guys. We'll be taking a lot of trades live if they form, and then you'll see how I execute, how I plan it, how I manage it. And yeah,
You will literally see everything, so it will be okay. I was just about to
yeah,
ask, are you still in NQ shorts?
yeah.
Those G?
Manush
Yeah,
from
looking at it.
Mauritius. Gee. That's your
I'm
place,
looking
Aaron.
at NASDAQ right now. A heavy 4-hour bearish closure. So I could potentially see those shorts play out. And if you drop down lower to the 1 hour, you got a closure below those recent supports. Same on the 30, but then on 30, the previous 30, you had a closure above, kind of formed like an onion, so support from there. So in order to continue with the shorts, I'd like to see another 30 closer below. What is this? 25.65. And I mean, if you're in, I mean, that's even more confirmation, that the price could continue down and potentially tap that target, which is the day or the weekly low. And then from there, the only place is the gap. Just fill the gap, and it'll be a pretty big move. But for me in specific, if I was to jump into Nasdaq right now, again, I'd like to see a closure on this 15 below 25,665, or if I am looking to get at a higher position, if this 15 can close above 25,674, where you see that support printed on the left hand side, then I'd like to see another 15 close below 674.25, and then take sales from there. And again, targeting the that wick fill there, or the market open from Sunday. That would be a pretty good position there, just based off the higher time frames.
Okay.
So sales don't look too bad, honestly.
What you gonna Navman took the hourly flip on gold, got break even. Okay.
Hourly flip. Yeah, flip's not really my favorite entry. Because flip kind of just means the candle's turning from green to red, or from red to green. Usually it's not breaking any highs, or yeah. At least for me, if you have good data on it, do it, bro.
True.
But I have not had good success with flip entries, so I stay away.
Yeah, I also don't like that closure for a flip entry, to be honest.
Yeah. So top wick.
Yeah.
Tamer, I don't use supply and demand.
Yo, good morning, Pia Magnifico.
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 Good morning, brother. Calimera.
Calimera, about to say. Let's go. How you doing?
I would
Oh,
like
man.
this 15 to close like it is right now, bearish, and then the next one closing back above, giving us a wick.
Range to
Or-
buys on gold on
Yeah.
15. Would you be interested? Yeah,
looks good.
I think so.
Or we pull back and give this forward a bottom wick, fill this forward wick too, and then we create some sort of support there at this zone at 0.4.6, and then take the buys up there. That would also be not bad.
Yep.
yeah.
I don't think I'll be taking any trade right now. I just don't have a good read on the market, and I'm also like not fully awake, gang. All day.
Hey, you're just swimming in green over there,
blast.
brother. We know. He's swimming in the green. His name is
It's too hard to breathe, I guess.
But yeah, I'm not really seeing anything at this moment. Technically,
Yeah. Same.
really
Not yet.
like-
We need a few closures.
yeah.
What are you guys looking for bias? Do you mean like what do we look at to determine the bias, or what is our current bias? I mean, currently I'm pretty bullish. 4 hour did close bearish, printing a resistance. So technically, like I said, according to price action, we could come all the way down to retest this. But fundamentally, we're so extremely bullish, I doubt that'll happen. So we might just get a minor pullback, potentially fill this 4 hour wick, and then maybe continue bullish. At some point we will reverse, but we need to see some signs. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people thought right here that we're gonna move bearish now because previous 4 hour no top wick, we broke the highs and then came down, formed a resistance, and then what happened after that? We juiced. So we'll just have to get some signs if there may be a reversal. But I'm still pretty bullish. We got some nice range here to take advantage of. So we'll see if we get anything.
Yes, sir. Is there a number of trades decided from you guys? Like after that number of trades, you will not trade for that day. Example, not more than 2 trades a day. In a sense, yes. In a sense, no. Like on this account right now, I took a trade and I won. And I really should just lock out and go to the other account. Honestly, that's part of my plan. But let's just say I lost a trade. I would take another trade on that account and then I would move to another account. So I wouldn't take more than like 1 or 2 trades on one account, if that makes sense. That's just me, but everybody's different.
Yeah, it just depends on your situation.
Agreed. If I take a good W, I don't see a point to continue trading. I mean, that's why we do what we do, right? Take a good trade, call it a day.
Yeah, we ain't
Go.
out here working for it, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying.
Yeah, usually
Yeah,
if I have like secured a $200 or $150 day, then at that point I will not risk my profits unless it's a really, really good setup.
Yep.
Monthly candle closing strong. Crazy. Actually.
You're trading the monthly now?
Right?
Holy, what
I mean-
strategy is that?
I haven't looked at it, bro. That's actually, I'm about to go look at it. See what I can learn.
Nah, bro, get out of here. We don't trade
Nah,
monthly.
bro. I'm looking at the monthly,
Yeah.
bro.
Guys, should
not
we
doing-
fire Aaron
Yeah.
before we have even began? What do you guys
It's
think?
going up.
Drop a 1 in the
I
chat if you think we should fire Aaron, and drop a 2 if you think we shouldn't.
You can fire me.
The
It's okay.
response is coming in 15 seconds.
All right, exactly.
Yeah, let's wait.
Yo, the delay, guys, we will get it sorted. Don't worry.
It's a test stream.
Closure, man.
Oh, by the way, we got like 130 subscribers. Damn. W, guys.
Thank
Hey,
God.
W.
Looks like Aaron's staying, bro.
Hey, let's go. Hey, I love you
Okay,
guys.
Aaron is staying.
No, AB. No, I'm just kidding.
Hell no. Must spam some ones in the chat.
Yo, look, bro, I'm coming for you, bro. Yo, hey, bro, you're in Ohio. I'll be there this week.
Yo, bro, I definitely gotta press that one.
You flying out, Aaron?
What?
When you flying out?
On Christmas, bro.
Hmm.
Oh no. I'm pumped though. Let's get it. USA, baby.
Boys, you took anything? Any trades?
Not yet.
Yeah, bro. When you were
James.
talking, me and Lewis took a trade.
Yeah.
I posted it on Discord. The trade.
Did you really? You already posted it? Nice.
I put it on.
But,
Trades
that was
Ideas,
it.
Yeah.
Nah, Lewis, my trade was way better, bro. What
For
is this?
sure.
You see drawdown? Holy, what strategy is
No, I
that?
did. Actually, I did see Jordan. Yeah.
Guys,
Columbus, my
don't
brother.
take Lewis trades.
Columbus, C-Bus.
See books.
I should have held, bro. No, I'm just kidding.
That's what I'm saying. No closure.
L closure, bro.
To the
L
good
closure.
mood.
No close. I can't doubt.
It's all good. Got a piece of the pie. That's all that matters.
Right. I just got a little something. That's all we need.
There you go. Just something.
Remember, guys, all you need is a little something. Be alright.
Yes,
It's gonna be
sir.
alright.
It's a little piece, you know.
I took a buy at 4509.9 after I saw rejection on 5. Hey, bro, that's what I'm talking about. What a 4509.
Yeah, it's nice zone.
Yep.
Yeah.
Timer,
love you, boy.
30 timer.
Hey Tamer, I have a question for you, bro. What's up with the music videos, bro? In the trade recap thing, bro. Holy! And how many trades have you taken? Are you taking? Because we might have to rename that channel to Tamer's Trade Ideas
Tamir
at
takeover.
this point.
Hey, W though, bro.
Nah, don't be sorry, bro. Like, we are just messing around.
We just want a little bit of context. That's
Okay.
all. I Goldie going up slowly but surely.
Oh no.
Slowly but surely.
Gold doesn't.
Don't remind me.
Gold doesn't want to play with us today.
Mm-mm.
Nah, dude, buys above 45.20 still look really good. Clean range. That's actually the only super clean range we have. Still looks good above there. But man, this December price has been slow. There's been moves.
Especially
the price
there in
has
London.
been slow. Yeah. London price has been so slow.
Pre-London though has been. Alright.
Where's everyone for
Goldie
Christmas?
left me at break even. Bro, Goldie be
Anyone,
doing that. That's one of the
anyone
hardest parts
got
about the
crazy.
low
Yo,
time.
Aaron,
low time.
bro, holy.
Yeah, Aaron,
happened?
bro, what up? Okay. There
You
are
wanna
a bunch
fight,
of
bro?
ones in the chat. Send him.
You wanna fight, Aaron? Bro, you got a problem with me?
I mute.
Yeah.
Nah, don't mute.
Shut
bro,
up for
don't
the
mute.
next 5 minutes.
Anyone got Christmas plans? You guys going home, or are you home?
Family.
Yeah.
Damn.
Family.
That's a sad topic, bro, for me.
I'll be in SA.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
You been SA, bro?
No, I said I'll fly to SA.
I got a room for you. You know where that is.
Maybe.
That's a yellow. That's a yellow. I had to make myself.
Can you not fly to UK?
Who?
To the UK?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, I've been traveling a lot. I just want to spend the next 1 week just with myself. Plan out 2026 and just, hit the gym twice a day. That's it. I'm not doing anything special. I don't have my
That's all
family
fly
with me.
to AB.
Come, boys, you guys are rolling in payouts. I mean, holy. If not now, then when?
True.
Maybe
Good
a
point.
little meetup sometime in April in London. I mean,
What? What?
Nah, I made some friends in London. When I was
Nice.
London.
Nice. We must forget
Goldie.
working stuff plus doubly down on the building agency. So you can come in place first. W, Joel. W.
W.
It's very difficult to do. To just especially during these times, to sit and work on yourself. If you can do that during these times, bro, you can do it during any time, even at your lowest. W, Joe. Well done.
W, Joel. W, bro.
Hey, W, Joel.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of
I'm on the
marketing
same
would
boat.
you be doing? Like performance marketing or social digital marketing? What kind
I'm
of
gonna go make a
marketing?
coffee, BRB.
Yeah.
When does London volume usually pick up for you guys?
In 34 minutes.
Hey, yo, we got
Look at us,
grind in the chat.
The
Grind, what up,
Grind.
brother?
Let's go.
Good morning.
OG.
Good morning, big man.
Good morning, Mr. Nice Biceps. Wait, wait, what?
There should be some volume in 4 minutes, Lewis.
Okay, so guys, do you see any kind of celery that's forming or no celery?
No.
I think
Not
that's
me, no.
celery, bro. All right, I'll stop.
Nah.
Damn, W, Joel. I understand that.
George, we are looking for something to full port on, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because we gotta pass some
Yeah.
combines for the next year.
Yeah, probably even if I don't, I'm okay. But yeah, full. You know what?
Just full port it.
I'm just in it for a full port, man.
Send the signal.
Wait, I think
signal.
we actually got some news today.
Oh, wow. Do we?
Yeah, we got prelim EP.
Okay.
That's a red photo now. Tomorrow we got unemployment claim.
More isn't? Oh, okay. That's because Thursday is a public holiday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get some water.
Unemployment claims on Christmas Eve.
Give me a memento.
Yeah. Price is moving nicely. However, it's getting into the chopped area.
Very nice, boys.
Yeah, I wanted the entry down there, not like in the middle of the range. With the upcoming chop, it's not the best.
Bro, you know what I was thinking last night? That I'll take this trade, the one that I took, close like half at 1 to 1, hold the stops and just let it rock till the rest of the day.
Mm.
Yeah, and it was playing out so nicely. I mean, it did come back to my entry. Also, would have gone a bit into drawdown, but then holy 260 pips from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I first want to secure a payout on these XFAs, and after that we'll do all of that.
Yeah.
Is it me or is the
How much
stream like
time you
lagging?
got left?
The stream wasn't lagging. It's just George was lagging.
Oh,
Yeah, George chart was lagging.
come on, George.
What, Luis? You said something?
How much more you got left? Like 2 days, 3 days?
Yeah, 3
For payout?
days. Oh, yeah, 3 days. I think.
Let's go.
Do we have trading session tomorrow?
Yeah.
We
Tomorrow.
have it tomorrow, but not on the 25th, right?
No, not on 25.
25th is a holiday. Okay,
Yep.
then 26th we are back
Got
again.
Back
till
on.
next week.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna trade tomorrow.
Yeah,
and then
Monday.
I'm probably done for the week.
yeah.
Yeah.
I might just go for base hits tomorrow and the day after. Or just get the 200 for the day and just lock out.
Mhm.
Unless like Goldie's moving crazy.
Makes sense.
But yeah.
Streams down. Oh, shit. I think George is
No worries.
running into some troubles.
Alright guys. Okay. People in the chat, because there's nothing happening right now, let's just do something. Wait a second. 30 minutes? Nah, nothing. Okay, since there's no trade. You wanna see some magic?
Bye.
See. Price was coming back down. Then price started closing above this level here. Alright, let me do it properly. How I trade on the lower time frames. What I'm doing right now is basically structure marking. Structure marking just to see, okay, higher highs or higher lows are getting formed or not. Now, this is the current structure that was on the 1 minute time frame. Usually, whenever it's like breaking the lows, then whatever is the previous high, that is usually considered a confirmed high. So price went down, created this low, and then retraced a bit. So this low got created. Now when this one breaks, once we get like 1 or 2 candle closures below this most recent low, then whatever the previous high was, the highest point between this and this point, that's now called as your confirmed high. So now overall we were bullish on the day, with everything bullish. However, the current market structure was bearish. Now in that case, if you see on the 15, there is no support anywhere near here. So in that case, how can I plan or buy? What I usually do is I wait for a change of character. What does a change of character means? It usually means, okay, now we might be shifting towards the bullish side. What is the first sign of that? So once you have this last confirmed high and the last confirmed low, what you essentially want is a candle closure, at least 1 or 2 candle closures above the last confirmed high that was there. Okay, so we got it here. Whenever this happens, now that is a valid change of character on the 1 minute, which means, okay, now we are good to take buys on the 1 minute time frame, aligning now with the overall higher bullish time frames. So in that case, this now becomes a level. The wick of the most recent last confirmed high that was there, above which a change of character has happened. What do you do in that case? You wait for price to come back, retest, and then take a buy. So in this case, the buys would have been this. This would have been the buy. I would have kept it like this if I was looking to target these highs right here. However, in such case, based on how my account is looking like, how much I'm up for the day, this trade would just have been a 20 pip SL trade with a 20 pip TP. I would have just taken my 1 to 1 here, called it a day. I don't care about um taking trades that are 10 hour, 20 hour. I don't care about the RR on the trades. This is how I like to trade. Now, there are a lot of connotations that go along with it. When do you want to switch to a 1 minute change of character and all these other things? So, I don't want to complicate that for y'all, but just know that all of this has been well documented and tried and tested on the amount of payouts I got in the last um, 6 months of this year have been coming from the top-down analysis from the higher time frames and then taking advantage of such moves when a 15 or a 30 or a 1 hour closure won't give you what you are getting, what you want basically. It won't give you an entry. For example, this 1 hour closure, there's no topic over here. So in that case, I now technically, if I go just by candle, I cannot take a buy trade over here. Of course, I can jump down to the lower time frames, but again, no topic here. So essentially, I cannot do anything till the time this closes with some kind of wick. And now again, I'm waiting the entire session. Guys, very honestly, for me, trading isn't about making 10k, 20k. It's just about make your money, leave the desk. Make your money, leave the desk. And when I was trying to learn a lot of things, when I was just a humble beginner trader, I naturally gravitated towards lower time frames, towards moves like these where it would just start reversing from a random point. I always wanted to catch things like that. And yeah, when I went on towards the journey of finding it all out, I found the lower time frames, but then I started trading just the lower time frames without looking at what the high time frames were doing, and that was the point where I lost a lot of money. But again, uh, I then just what did I do? I just got the high time frame analysis and correlation in, and suddenly everything clicked. So I would have never been able to do that if I was just stuck on one thing. However, one thing I would really like to point out is if you are not consistent in the trades that you're taking or profitable in whatever strategy that you have right now, don't even think about moving to some other strategy unless you know for a fact that you have given your 100% to the strategy and for some reason or the other it's not sticking or you are not feeling comfortable. So till then, don't go out exploring, but whenever you go out, just go out fully. Just think about it as a necessary step in your training and then just keep on exploring till the time you don't find what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be that okay, now AB Mike is trading 1 minute time frame, I can learn from AB Mike and everything will work out. Nah, hell no. Had that been the case, I wouldn't have had to learn from a lot of other people that are trading, my friends, these boys in the Lil Sum that you see on the screen. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And these trades, the one that I was just talking about right now, this one, don't worry about it. We'll catch a lot of them. You'll see it in action. Of course, we lose them as well, but I'll try to
Right.
ensure that we just taking no L's. No.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
oh,
hey.
oh.
Yeah, but obviously to understand the 1 minute and the 5 minute and get to have the better read on it, you got to understand the higher time frame. So you know what I mean. You can't just like go to the 1 and 5 and expect that to understand things when you can't even understand the higher time frame. You know what I mean? Or even like the higher time frame correlation with the like 15 and 30 and stuff like that. So yeah, take it step by step, and you just AB will also show what he does and is doing, and he's able to explain it very, very well too, which is very good. And if that works for you guys and you guys like it, then hey, it's gonna be W's all around. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, that's the thing, right? We got Aaron and me trading the lower time frames, but at the same time, it doesn't mean that, oh, we have like beef with onion or a celery. Nah, it's not like
I
that.
love
We
it.
see a setup, it makes sense, we take the setup.
Yeah.
We have all the regular TTE plays with us because that is where we learned. That is our founding, the founding, what?
Foundation of
Yeah, the
Foundation.
foundation. And then we are also open to exploring different kind of ways that people trade. For example, once Lewis comes into the picture, he trades like really crazy setups on NQ, and the entire motive is like, I also want to learn NQ. I also want to learn and add more things to my trading arsenal,
right.
even though I hate Arsenal, but you know what I'm saying. And yeah, for me, trading is not like a cash cow that I use for a certain amount of time, and then um, just take that money and put it into something else. Of course, I'll do that too, but what I want from trading is I want trading to be my main driving factor in life, and the rest of the things are then built around it. I don't want to be one of those guys who just came into the market, uh, learned somewhere for a while, made a bit of money, made some really good money, and then just use that money towards something else. Hell nah. I want to do trading till the time I'm dying. I might even enjoy dying of heart attack because I am 99 years old and I've full ported on NFP. I would rather die like that than than anything else. So yeah,
We get it. AB loves trading.
hell yeah, bro.
Hey, good morning, Phil. I see you here, brother. I'm
Hey
glad
yo,
you made it.
Phil, what up?
W,
Good
Wayne.
morning.
Hey, good morning. Glad you guys made it through, and yeah,
Wayne.
man, we're doing great. We blessed, and
Hey.
obviously we're having a lot of fun with this. So
Glad to
Wayne.
have you guys here.
How's your coffee today?
Wayne Mayburu. Khanat. He's South African, right?
yeah, right.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Goeiemorgen.
How can you assume, George? You gotta ask first.
Nah, watch. He's gonna respond in Afrikaans.
I mean, if you'll say like that, even I can respond to you in Afrikaans, bro.
Respond in Afrikaans then?
I can't.
Malaka, Kalimera.
That's Greek, bro.
Right. I was like,
Come on, man.
Oh shit. Oh, sorry.
That's
my
the
bad,
wrong.
man.
That's my wrong side.
That's the wrong number.
wrong number.
Afrikaans is a little bit like
Living in
German
Perth.
too.
Oh, nice, bro.
Lekker.
Hey, yeah, you know that word.
Trades
Lekker,
is super
dankie.
like.
Sehr lekker.
Say it like
Lekker, dankie.
Yeah, nothing for the charts on me just yet, gang.
yeah.
Not liking price, to be honest. We are trickling up, but no entry for me, and it's extremely slow.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Music.
Should I lock out and go to the next account? So,
Oh,
Are you happy with the profits on that account?
I mean, it's over 150. So,
are you happy with
the profits
thing
on that
you're doing
account?
right now?
yes, I am.
Then it's
No,
a
wait, George, wait, George. Aaron,
Yes.
So just like a follow-up question on what George has asked you already. My question is, are you a grown-up adult
100%.
right now? Then take your own decisions, bro. Shut up.
Bro, I'm
Nah,
doing
you
it
can
for the
ask us.
stream.
You can
No,
ask.
you cannot. Oh, wait, but we can. Sorry.
Alright, relax.
चावला bro, what's up?
Yeah.
अपनी stream है भाई, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. What up, what up, what up?
And type in Mr.
Chabra.
Medium. Guys, just a quick one that shared screen in a bit. Small, you're gonna give me eye sharing. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry.
Janusz, I think you can switch my screens because I'm moving the charts around a lot. If I see anything, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I think people will get tired of motion sickness.
I'm doing the same thing, bro. I'm moving the charts. Hopefully, the charts will move.
Alright, bro. Then I'ma just go and like give them my chart.
Bro, you can put my chart on. I just go to the 30
Yeah.
or 15.
Right.
But if I get into a trade,
But guys, honestly, people in the chat, thank you for showing the love and support. It was definitely a difficult decision, you know, when you have to leave your family and your hometown behind, and by that I mean TDE, and go on to do something that we feel that was calling us to do this. So yeah, thank you guys for any and all the love and support that you guys have shown. Yeah, we'll just try to respect that love and support. I mean, not try, you know, we will. So
We will
yeah.
reciprocate.
tell him, Phil.
Okay, we got a question from Alex. Any solution to make your losses small and wins bigger? 100%. Get detailed, in-depth information about each time frame. If you have come to the desk, starting from daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. The day you are comfortable and the day you can see the charts clearly on all of these time frames, your winners would be bigger and your losses would be smaller. Also, if you are a young trader, then don't worry about it, because initially you need to take a lot of losses to know how to not take losses. And also, there is no one clear answer that I can give you, or one clear strategy that I can give you that will solve that thing for you. You'll have to get burnt a lot to not get burnt a lot.
Hmm.
That's the sad truth.
I
In
mean,
trading, you always learn the hard way.
yeah, true. Tell him, George.
Actually, it doesn't gotta be a lot though. You just gotta learn from it.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
learn pretty well from getting burned, you don't have to get burned a lot.
Yeah, true. That's true.
Hey, W Danny, we love you, bro. You're our favorite trader.
Danny. Danny P. YT.
Hey, don't forget to like the stream, guys. I love all of you.
Oh yeah, we gotta do that too now, right? Guys, drop a like in the chat. Are you guys, for the most part, sticking to the direction of the previous 4-hour candle when searching for a position? Yeah. It definitely helps in setting up the bias, and also the 4-hour target tap concept and the 4-hour bias concept is like one of the best things that we have come across last year with TDE, and I mean, it doesn't make any kind of sense to just remove it. So yeah, definitely that helps out a lot. I do definitely look at it, but I don't then get mad at to the idea. So just because like the previous 4 hour, for example, in this market condition, as of right now, you can see the previous 4 hour close bearish, but I am not looking for any kind of sales. So what are your plans, guys, with Lil Sum Sum? That's a very interesting question. Very honestly, just want to create a community of traders where everybody can coexist together and learn from each other. So that's like step one. Then, of course, once the community starts growing, there are other ideas as well. But definitely, what we really want to encourage and really want to teach or give knowledge is on that it's okay to have different ways of trading. However, the most important part is that you trade together. For example, my success that has come from the last 1 year has just been because I was trading every day with the boys that you see on the screen right now. And even though I was diving down into the lower time frames and the boys were trading the higher time frames, it was really good to bounce off ideas from each other. And initially they didn't understand anything on the lower time frames that I was doing, but once they started seeing all of those things, they started understanding, and now it makes sense to them as well. And that's the same thing when I was trying to focus on the lower time frames. um, the boys helped me out with telling me, okay, there's a 15 resistance there, have you checked about that? There's a 30 support there, have you checked about that? So all those kind of things. And yeah, so that's like one thing. And definitely whoever responds or whoever likes my style of trading, Aaron's style of trading, George and Yanosha's style of trading, Lewis with NQ, basically this is gonna be not a little sum sum, it will be a big sum sum. But I can't give you more details than that as of now. But all I want to say is we have a lot of things that we'll push out at the right time, and as and when we feel okay it's required. And of course we'll one of the major things would be to focus on the community as well, and also take into consideration what you guys are saying, what you guys want, and then see how quickly we can act on it. Or even if we don't act on it, maybe just communicate it very clearly. So yeah, proper communication, more growth in terms of not just trading for ourselves, but trading with an audience. And just just preparing for that in the last 1 month has made me such an insane trader already. So yeah, personal growth for me, growth for everybody that's there. And yeah, that's my personal vision. And boys, please go ahead. Yeah, please answer the rest of the question. Thank you.
Yeah, you get used. I want to use the word summed it up, but you said it. Yeah, I agree with AB. We do want to do it a little bit different than the rest of the industry. We do want to have a lot of fun here. But like AB said, we really want to focus on the community, as opposed to any personal gain. Just trading for ourselves, like AB said. We really want to have fun with pretty much everybody that's a part of this community. So just stay tuned. We're not dropping much information out for a reason, but you guys will not be disappointed. So just stay tuned. But we are for you guys, and we are for each other. I think that's the most important thing.
Yes, sir. Just want to plan, learn, and grow with you guys, with everybody. And again, if you guys have something that we can learn. We want to be able to use that or have the option to use that applied to our arsenal. And then, of course, we want to, share what we have and what we can do. I mean, you guys have seen it a little bit already, but now we want to, broadcast it to a bigger audience. And Little Sum Sum is the place for that. And we're all excited and we're all, sharpening each other and sharpen iron, as you guys all know. So that's what we're here to do. And Little Sum Sum. So, yeah,
Yes,
come
sir.
hungry, come prepared, and come prepared to win because that's what we're going to do all 2026. And Little Sum
Yes,
Sum.
sir. W, bro. Yo, Joel, are you currently living in that house now? Is that what you're saying there? The mind is so powerful, bro. If you tell yourself that you're gonna have this thing or get this thing or be better at this thing, and you actually act on it, it will come to fruition. It's a matter of time. Everything happens in your head first, long before it happens with your hands.
Amen.
So if you can think it, you can do it. It's very important. Your mind is it's incredibly strong. And the moment we realize how strong it is kind of the moment we can almost become unstoppable. I don't mean that in an egotistical way. I don't mean that in a I'm a god way. That's for sure. But yeah, if you really realize how strong your mind is, you can go many places.
W.
W.
I also know one of the plans too is that we want to have our Discord and we're all talking about trading and everyone's free to, of course, share their style. And as we take our trades, you guys will be able to see our trades and then we can explain why we're in our trades. As you guys will know, because we're in Discord and you guys can see our chart while we're in the trade, see us take it live, and hopefully through all those actions, everything will become much more clearer. And you can also see what you like about certain trades or certain people's styles, what you don't like about them, and you can choose to add or not use it, you know what I mean, to your arsenal. But at least just, you have the option to see all these different styles of trading that are also coming from the same, source playbook, if that makes sense. So that's what we're here to showcase too as well. And just, like I said, continue to grow and inspire each other on and off the charts, because it's all important. What we're doing with the mind, with everything, becoming who we are is essentially the most important part of all this. So just keep growing.
Yeah, very honestly, just to add to that, what we really want to do is build up the entire community through our own journey. Because, guys, very honestly, we are not some like superhumans or like we are blessed by God. I mean, like, of course we are blessed, but then it's not like we were born with the silver spoon of trading that as soon as AB Mike came into this world, he just knew everything and he's taking trades, or George is taking trades, or Aaron is making 22K straight up right after he was born, right? We learned it all. We went through our own struggles. You guys have probably the same amount of struggle that you have gone through. We have gone through the same amount of struggle. I went completely broke trying to figure trading out. Uh, but if I've lived through all of those times and now I can proudly show my payouts that this is what I'm getting, then yeah, I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. And all I just want is for you all to see our journeys, my journey, George's journey, Aaron's journey, Lewis, Janusz. I mean, if we were to just do a round table kind of podcast with us, you guys would go crazy. You know why? Because you'd be like, oh, that's so similar to me, that's so similar to me. All the people that are, I don't know if we have some Indian people here, but you guys would relate to me. So yeah, I mean, we have everybody, and that's the power of Lil Sum Sum. We got one guy from Greece, one guy who's an American but is in Germany, one guy who's an Indian but is in Germany, one guy who's German and is in Germany, and then we got Lewis, who is from US and Mexico, and I don't know. I mean, we have so many people from so many places that if we can come together and be like really good friends and be insane traders, because very honestly, had it not been for these boys, I don't think I would have seen the success that I'm seeing right now. And yeah, that is it. That's it.
Yeah, and
Big
also
W.
Same here, bro.
use the Discord. Use the Discord to connect with people, because we all really popped up and got a lot of payouts since we started hanging out together, talking about the charts, talking about our ideas, and just building like a group that kept each other responsible for the trades that they take. And you could also talk through emotions, because everybody's going through the same stuff, and that really got us to the next level, I think. So I really recommend using the Discord to get to know some people and build like a small friend group of traders.
100%, bro. 100. Trading alone sucks.
Yeah.
But the moment we all started getting together, it was this group, bro. It just made it so fun. I got excited every time, and then the money was a bonus.
Yeah.
Right, exactly. And I think it's not a coincidence that since we all came together, like the money for all of us have been just piling up and adding up and adding up and adding up, and that's because again we're taking and helping each other. You know, like George, for example, or or AB can see my blind spots. You know what I mean? So they can see things that I can't see on the charts, for example. And these things overall help me getting payouts. Getting profits on the day. All these little things, taking NQ trades because of Lewis, and now that's an extra 200. Thank you. Like, you know what I mean? Like all these little things that we're doing and have learned from each other. That's just what basically sums up Lil Sum Sum, and that's just a little something of what's coming. So I'm excited.
Hey,
I couldn't be more honored to be part of this team, and honestly, couldn't I'm just so excited for the future. So I want you guys rocking with us. We're here for you guys every step of the way, starting from the last stream, the first test stream. So, yep, join Discord, like said, and hey, we'll be here. Let's do it. Let's run it up.
and with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming into London Open.
Dun, dun, dun.
And very honestly, there's nothing on the charts right now. Unless you want to take a trade with me, guys, on the lower time frames.
Hey.
Wait, what? What?
I'm down for some action.
Are you
I still have
are you
coffee.
seeing something?
Yeah.
I do see something, but I don't really want to
dabble?
Let's
Yeah,
see what
because,
it's
right now it's in the choppy range again. So
You want to see 45.12 maybe, or
yeah, 45 of 17 to 16, that 10 pip range. Let's see how it reacts
I
from
thought so,
there.
bro.
And yeah,
I knew it.
I mean, see, that's
16.5?
the thing. Like, George sees it. George kind of knows, okay, what I'm looking at, where I'm looking at. So that's like the goal. When
Yeah, that's only because I've been with
Yeah.
AB. I haven't even been trading AB style, but I've just been with him, so I know
Yeah.
exactly,
We
not
always-
exactly, but I know.
We always
many
can
things that
tell
he's
if,
looking for.
like we are like, what would
Yeah.
AB do? Like, oh,
Yeah.
he would be like, if I see a
And what
green
would Aaron
candle
do?
forming around here, I'm in,
Yeah,
boys.
fact.
Yeah.
Fact.
And Aaron be like, yeah, I'm already in that
I'm out
trade.
full.
And
Yeah, he's
I'm
already
like,
out.
I'm waiting for a 1 minute confirmation, and then already Aaron has taken $30 and 30 pips and dipped, and I'm here waiting for my entry.
No, never.
Nah,
We'll
but yeah,
see.
guys, I mean, that's the same thing, right? We were just on the other side of the screen, what, 2 years ago? We were just on the chat. We were trying to learn, and then through all the questions we asked, we helped ourselves, we helped everybody who was around us, and of course, got a big um Nick and the TD community has had a great part to play in that in our success. But again, yeah, we after that just I would say we have grown so much now that this was the right decision for us to do. Just help out people who are in a similar journey. This is just my third year of trading, and no elite memberships or no any kind of one-on-one coaching from anybody out there. Um, I just utilized all the free knowledge I was getting in the clubhouse, in the live streams, in the Discord. I just gathered so much information from everywhere that it took a bit of time, but now I'm way more confident in my trading.
Yeah.
W.
Yeah.
And also,
Facts.
like, I always harp on that, but like sharpening each other. For example, AB, like one thing that he really likes, he's not like a stickler about it, but he's always looking for a good RR. Where I'm someone who doesn't, I don't care about RR, and I've proven that. But it's all right. That's a whole nother discussion. But anyways, within this point, I've seen so many good trades now, and I've been able to adapt also my strategy because of this and watching AB and how he adapts his RR stuff. So sometimes, like with my R stuff, I've been able to have either more confidence or be able to adapt in a positive way my trading style or how I see that trade because of things like that. And that's just from, a little sum of us trading together and again, seeing results and again, being able to talk about things on like not being restricted to talk about things and, just be free to trade how you want basically. And with that comes, a lot of responsibility and a lot of things that you learn and a lot of success. So W.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lee Graham, never, bro. Like the early TT days were so
Bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh
Those
my
are OG. I mean,
goodness. Early TTE days. Man.
You gonna make me cry, Grant.
Yeah, bro. That was early TT days was something different. It was different.
And Nick would open up the magic keys sound just like that, so that
Bro.
everybody is like, "Oh, train is coming," and we'd be like, "Holy, run to the desk, run to the desk."
he said run to the desk. That really is like that, though.
Yeah. Crazy how long ago that was. Man, that was
Yeah,
a while
bro.
ago.
Yeah, but
Guys,
when you actually think about it, it just feels like it was just like the other day. But when
Exactly,
you
bro.
actually think about it, it's like, oh, it's been a while.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Good days though. Good days. Wouldn't change it.
I still shed a tear
Wouldn't
if
change
I look
anything,
at my
bro,
magic
ever.
keys.
There was a question.
I think
Somebody else.
the Grand
Oh, the
had a
Grand
question.
only London
Only
streams. Yeah,
London
for now. Yeah, but when we launch officially, it'll be only London streams for the time being. Yeah.
Gotta grow from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we do plan on doing more. But let's start with that.
Yeah, let's start
Aaron,
with
come
that.
on, bro. Come
Yeah.
on, bro. I'm early clubhouse days was also great, bro. I remember early clubhouse days. I was in the clubhouse for like a ridiculous amount of hours. It was insane. It was London
That was not
and the
healthy.
whole New York, bro. I would start at like 7 o'clock in the morning, have a little bit of a break between London and New York, and then on New York, I think I'd end off most nights at 9 p.m. It was insane.
Exactly.
Yeah, that was crazy because New York would run all the way to our hour, so we were there.
Yeah, bro.
For a
It
long
ran till late, till like 2 p.m.
Hey yo, Arun, bro, what's up? What's up? Should I tell
brother.
everybody what your actual name is? Like who you actually are, or should we keep it at Arun?
No, bro. We keep it on the low.
Right. Okay, Alex says having good win rate and bad RR and good RR with bad win rate makes no sense at all. The key for me is to balance RR and win rate. Exactly. See, you gotta take what the trade is offering you. It's just that maybe a different strategy gives you a bigger RR trade. But even then, usually we all know that with high RR trades, the win rate isn't that high. But that's totally dependent upon the trader, right? Let's say if I'm taking a trade with 30 pips of stop loss and my target is like 100 pips. Okay, I can do that. Now it depends what your account is looking like. Let's say if you are just a $200 day away from a payout, bro. Just take the same trade on one GC and call it at 20 pips or 15 pips technically on top step, right? Just call it, take the payout, and then maybe go for uh, if a similar trade pops up, maybe this time try holding it for 30 pips, okay, and then try holding it for longer. And not every trade will run to its full TP before stopping you out. So you don't really have to keep yourself in a box. Keep yourself in a box, keep all of those things with you. However, also look outside the box. What's happening, what's not happening. Just because this trade needs to go till the next resistance doesn't mean you have to hold it till the next resistance, right? For example, the trade that I took in Asian, my initial plan was to close half at 1 to 1 and just let it rock. But then when I saw price pushing up and I saw, okay, it's $700, I see $700 there, bro, I'll take it. I take my $700 and don't care about the RR at that point, right? Because I take that 700 lockout. Nobody can take that 700 away from me unless it's just me on the next day if I break all the rules and trade stupidly. By the way, guys, Arun is the same guy who goes by the name of Trader Next Doors. So yeah.
Yo,
Who, me?
what's up, traders next? I know that guy. I don't know Aaron, but I know traders next doors,
What? I'm not traders next door.
Yeah, of
bro.
course you're not. Arun Marathi is that.
Yo, AA, bro.
I was like, what? I'm so confused.
Great to see you, bro. Been a minute. For me, at least.
Yo, I met Arun in London, and bro, we were just supposed to like chat for 1 hour, but I think we ended up spending like 2-3 hours additional. And Arun was supposed to be home. He was supposed to leave 1 hour before when he actually left. That was crazy.
I wish I saw you more in Greece, Aaron. We
know,
we didn't
bro.
plan that very well.
It's okay. I'll be back.
Yeah,
That was just a test run, you know.
it was a test run, and it
Right.
worked, right?
Exactly. Now I know.
Okay.
Back. We gonna be back. 2 weeks.
Sir.
I got a Houston meetup next year.
Hey. I don't
Houston,
know.
bro. I'm down to come to Texas.
Houston though.
Yeah, bro, I have to be there for the World Cup.
As long as you give us some clips, some straps. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
We Gucci.
You're gonna be safe, yo.
Nah, bro. I say that, but I'm in SA right now.
True. True.
I gotta be strapped, bro.
Right. It's hilarious.
All right, boys. There's a question from Pranav. When are you guys coming to India?
Hey, that's on AB Mike once he gets it sorted for us. He knows we want to go to India, so we definitely, it's in the works. That's all I can say. AB.
Pranav, bro, these foreigners are too scared to come to India.
Bro, I will
It's
go to
not
India.
fear, bro. It's why don't we just fly Pranav out to wherever we going?
Bro, I'm going to India. What you mean?
Okay, that we can do that. Pranav, do you have an European
Passports, visa, yeah.
Do
Bro,
you
I
have
wanna
it?
go to
Yeah,
India.
don't do
So-
ha ha ha.
what's up?
Just say yeah. Yes or no.
Win weight percentage 100.
100.
I forgot I'm live on YouTube. My bad.
Okay. Arun said 3 hours, but it was worth. Got the payout next day, bro. I didn't do anything to get your payout, but I appreciate. Okay, Legrand has a question. A general observation.
Did Aaron just flash us a Richard Mill watch? With
Hey,
the
nobody
blue
knows
strap?
nothing, Legrand. Nobody knows nothing.
Hey, yo, Aaron, I thought we were friends, bro. Where's my Richard Mill?
Where's mine?
Hey, don't wait. Just wait on it. Just wait on
Okay.
Come
it.
on, bro.
I'm gonna get the boys some Christmas presents. Don't worry.
Christmas,
Yo.
Christmas gift in a.
Yo,
Right.
yo.
I might have to get the community some Christmas presents too. Let's see.
Oh,
Oh.
The question is, should I do a giveaway for the community today, or should I wait on it?
You can wait on it. Let me do it today.
well,
Okay.
yeah.
Sorry, community.
So AB's doing.
There will
it.
be giveaways though.
By the way, I don't
Yeah.
want to call everyone else community. I want a better name. What you guys want to be called, chat?
Okay.
The little
Chad,
sums.
Yeah.
The sums.
The sums.
The
Nah,
answer.
Some.
The
Nah.
handsomes? Okay. Chabla, bro. What up? What up?
There you go, child. Party in
Your
Chile.
hotel? You got a hotel, Tabla? Bro, is it straight and treating you that well? W, bro.
Bro.
Hell
Chabla
yeah.
is
Hey, Legrand, they're on to me, bro. You guys nobody know nothing.
Nothing on the charts.
Nah, it's nothing. It's nothing. Look, it would be nice if this 50 can close bearish and then close back above. It would be nice. Then I would be interested in buys. If we do just close above, because I'm on a combine, I might just take the buys. But yeah, if it wasn't a combine, I probably wouldn't be interested on my X phase.
Pranav is like changing my name to Chabla for the giveaway day for some luck.
Not a bad idea.
Right.
All right, people in the chat, there's gonna be one giveaway today. I think we'll mostly do it on Discord. I don't know how, but
Wait, so we are doing a giveaway today?
No, I thought I'll just do it. You can wait on the actual day you
Okay,
had planned for.
Yeah.
Cool. I mean, we gotta
Can I
let
win,
the
AB?
people know that we are profitable, boys. Come on.
Boy, I don't want to put a little spoiler, but I'm gonna put it out there.
Oh,
Not to say this should be your only reason for joining, but
What?
we will do a giveaway every week in Lil Sum Sum. Cause we just gotta give away
Nah,
Lil Sum Sum.
You've given
We
away
got
too much,
one.
Aaron. You've given away too much, bro.
Okay. My bad.
Just
my
playing.
Bad. My bad.
Just playing.
Don't
But
quote
Aaron's
me
not
on
wrong.
that, actually. Quote me.
Quote him. Quote him. He said it. He better give it to you.
We gonna give it to you, all right.
So we do the giveaway later on Discord.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
During
AB,
invite?
you're gonna fall through.
I need to figure out how we do that first. and
Yeah,
then-
we'll just figure it out. Yeah.
yeah. We will.
We can do this
will
one on
find a way.
YouTube, bro.
Watch our members go way up. Like,
Oh,
We can do this on YouTube. Just
we
this
can do
one.
it right now, right? As well.
Yeah, we can do it live, bro. Why not do it live?
all right, but what are we giving away?
150k
Sunny.
comment should be fine.
150?
To start off with. 1 into 50k, not 150.
Oh.
50.
I just wanted to clarify, just for those who heard it like I did.
Sorry,
I also
guys.
heard 150.
We can do one with Nightbot on YouTube.
You said chill
So
out.
we're gonna let you guys.
Oh,
We're gonna
Yeah.
let you guys guess something.
Sure, you call it,
Mhm.
and then, yeah. AJ, what up, brother? Morning.
AJ.
Good news, after 3 months of renovation work, I moved into my new home. Pips required to pay off my debt. Aight, boys. Aight.
Yeah, AJ, I remember that, bro.
I remember that too.
Congratulations, G.
W, bro.
You've been at that for a long time. W, bro. What's up, Kirito? Good morning. We're blessed in you, brother. Or sister. I don't know.
Yo, Themis is also
Exactly,
there, right?
Alex.
Demon. Timus or Demon?
Themis, Kalimera, Filamo.
Calimera, Filamo.
There we go. Aaron is
Kalimera,
perfect.
Philemon.
Hey, let's go. Hey, how many likes we got? Because that's how many push-ups I'm doing.
All
How many
right.
likes do we got?
You said 5?
No.
That'd be
I'll tell you.
great for my arms.
All right. People can now guess the right number between 1 and 500.
All right,
Alright.
guys. For the giveaway, guess a number between 1 and 500. I have no idea about it. Only Janusz knows as of now.
I don't even know.
I don't
what
know.
to-
Janusz,
Nightbot
Top
choose the
channel.
number.
Who knows?
Nightbot
Oh,
choose
okay.
it, so it's gonna be random.
There aren't many people, so just spam numbers. There's a 1 in 500 chance that you get this.
I can give
Maybe you should have made it less, because it
Nah,
might be going on for a
I
while.
can tell you guys some hints. I see if the number is too low or too high that you guessed. So we got.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I'll give you some hints.
All right, we got
One
motion in the
111 is too low.
Okay.
Too low.
Okay. Oh,
Hey.
I like this. I like this. Giveaway. Early. Okay.
330 is too high. So it gotta be something between 111 and 330. We're gonna keep closing it in.
He says 7. You'll get it eventually. It's gonna feel worth it. Make it narrower if you can,
Yeah,
don't see it.
250 is too low. Oh shit, we're getting close. We're
Oh.
getting close.
250 too low and 330 too high.
Oh, we got someone. Alex on charts guessed it. It was.
Crazy.
We got the winner. All right.
W. What was the number? 260?
I couldn't even see it in the end. I think it was 265 or something. I'm not sure.
W.
260
Yeah,
or
because
265.
Nightbot picked this.
Yeah,
picked
Nightbot
him.
picked the number.
Nice.
Nightbot couldn't play.
W Nightbot. W Alex.
Alex,
Alex.
W strategy, bro. I see what you are doing.
I would have done the same thing.
Brother was like 240,
Alex on
250,
charts.
255, 260, 265, 264, 270. Alright, guys. Alright. W's in the chat. Yo, Alex, you'll go down in the history books as the first little
Hey,
giveaway winner.
W Alex.
But people will forget about you because there will be so many giveaways.
Did you
that,
even
yeah,
say
by
what
the
you're giving away?
Yeah, 50k combine.
50k combine. Let's go.
Yeah, 50.
W, bro. W.
On what, top
Alex,
left,
Congrats, Alex.
Yeah. Just hit me up on IG. IG would be better, bro.
But no
If
worries
you
to
are,
everyone else.
you know.
We're gonna do more giveaways in the future.
W.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. People in the chat.
Exactly,
going
Alex.
crazy.
The chances were pretty high.
I know. Hey, the chances will be high again. Probably next week. So. Next week we won't be here.
No.
Chances will be low though.
The week after.
Chances will be pretty low next week.
Yeah. My bad, guys. My bad.
Man, Goldie's boring.
Yeah,
This
I was about
goodness
to say,
gracious
man.
me.
But
Bully's just
It's
steady
been
moving
pretty
up,
boring. Yeah.
but we don't really get a nice entry. I'm trusting right now.
No.
I kind of want to see a pullback and then or a breakout and a pullback, something like this. But just moving up like this, I don't see anywhere to get in right now and feel like my stops are safe,
Safe.
right?
Yeah.
Also, we're like in the middle of this big range. Not the best place to buy from.
Nah, it's not. It's not.
What, you don't want to buy at the highest point, bro? Why not?
Hey.
We don't.
Aaron,
We are
you
missing
know
the
how many
volume.
times- We are definitely missing the volume, but they could play out. Okay, so
Yeah,
don't at me, bro.
we never know. It's
Hey,
just-
I want to
hey.
take a buy, Aaron. Don't at me, bro. Come
Don't do it.
Come
Don't do it. I ain't gonna do it to him.
Traders next doors. Welcome back, bro.
Nah, it's juicing.
Yo, that's the username I'm familiar with.
What think you're doing?
Calvin also W.
Yay! Juicing.
NQ is moving up.
Right.
Calvin. Good morning, brother.
AJ as Juicin. I'll hand that over
that's
to Lewis here.
Yeah,
Mr. Lewis. Lewis
Yeah,
smiling.
that's what I was saying. That in order to get into the Nasdaq sales at that point, I needed to see a closure below 664.5. We didn't get that. Well, I didn't get that, so that's why I didn't get in.
Yeah.
W.
But
By the way,
we
guys,
did see some nice
since
falls in it.
there's a bit of giveaway that we have done, sorry. All you can do is put up stories on IG, tag the little sum, spread it like wildfire, so that we can do more giveaways. Nah, just kidding. But yeah,
Yes, sir.
guys, a little bit of support goes a long way.
We won't forget it. Trust me.
Of course.
We're very
we
generous.
ain't forgetting.
Yeah, maybe Aaron can give away his Richard Mill.
Hey, nobody knows nothing. Next year, maybe.
I mean,
I'll give away my Apple Watch, gang.
Nobody know nothing.
Nobody knows
I might
nothing.
give it away.
Maybe I give away.
I'd rather
some,
give away another 50k combo.
Me too.
Maybe I give away some crypto next
Straight up.
year.
Crypto? Oh, I'm in. Then I'm in, bro.
Some crypto giveaways.
I'm in for that.
Some cash.
Vishal, bro, thank you so much, bro. Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, one thing is definitely there, that all the people that will join from different countries, I don't think we'll have pronouncing anybody's name. Anybody's name. We got the entire
Yeah, we got,
earth covered
we got
with us,
some
right?
diversity. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
I agree, Legrand. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Or you
I'm
know
gonna try
what?
one or
If
two.
Aaron says that nah, I ain't giving away my Richard Mill, we'll just leak his address.
Jeez, bro.
and go take it.
Go take it. Hey, you can try. You might get. No, that's fine.
This is Du bist in Deutschland, mein Bruder.
But my heart.
Yeah.
No, that
Yeah.
wasn't
Good boy.
I was like, let me stop. It's black, no.
Yo.
I'm done.
Okay, are we getting something or not?
Who said that? Who said that?
What?
Oh, I thought you were reading from the chat.
YOLO, ban him.
Right.
Ban him.
Kick him. Let me show you something. But yeah, bro, I see a whole lot of nothing.
You don't wanna mess with YOLO.
Why?
Yeah.
And why make
Nah,
you move?
That's a bad idea.
I got you, Nav, man. No problem, brother.
Can we keep the chat English?
Bro, we are just talking about
Happy
chai.
Bala Chai when AB Bai comes to India.
Chai.
Hey, bro, that
What's
was nice.
chai?
Aaron, do it again. Chai is tea, bro.
Yeah, chai is tea.
Happy
Oh.
Bali Chai when AB
Yeah.
Bai comes to India.
Hey,
You drink
bro.
chai.
Ajo Bahia. Sahi mind.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Tapri
that
Bali
pretty
chai.
Oh, that was good.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Number
yeah.
bia.
Oh yeah. The chart somehow, I don't know.
That was
Okay,
good, bro. I
that's the
took-
We
30-minute.
got no top wig and we got
yeah.
Yeah,
Sad.
the chart that is showing is frozen.
it was.
Oh, okay.
I think it happens
Okay,
when
yeah.
you tab out. You know, like if you
Yeah.
go to a different tab. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, YOLO. What? That was great. Thank you, Pranav. Thank you, bro. I've been with AB a long time. He's helped me.
It's Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu.
Hey.
He's a new goat.
Just for all of those who are wondering why we're so chill on the charts, is because we're not very aggressive during this time. We've all had insanely good months previously, so we're not really looking to be super aggressive.
Yeah.
But come the new year, you're gonna see some fire things. That's all I'm saying. But if you're wondering why we're so slow and so relaxed and so chill, it's because we've decided to take it very chill. We've had successful months, and now we're just here to vibe. But if there is something, of course, we'll take it. But these market conditions are not something to get aggressive on.
Preach.
If you ask about in New York, shoot,
Did you say New York?
will be, yeah, New York session.
Yeah, bro, we full port every 9:30. I don't know what you're talking about.
What? Yo, don't spill out the secret sauce.
Hey.
What?
Bro, the whole strat is
Yo.
gone now. Now the whole strat. They're
Can
Taking
we
him
liquidate
right.
George now?
You're right.
Anyone knows George been called Chikna.
Bro, who started that?
Chikna
Who started
George.
that?
Bro, you started that by being so chicken.
I think Janosh did.
Yeah.
It wasn't your nose. Nah, it was
Somebody
was it,
said it
bro?
and then
I think it was energy, bro.
I kept repeating it all the time.
Yeah, your nose made it
I remember
famous, but somebody started it.
I remember seeing it. I remember seeing
Yeah.
it in chat.
I remember seeing
Yeah.
it and I calling George Chikno all the time after that.
I think it was
George, you
YOLO.
trade full time. Nav man. Yes, I trade full time. It's the only thing I do. I live it, I breathe it.
No, bro, you also are in Lil Sumsum. Ah,
Little Chikna.
Nah.
Shall I say?
Lil-
Was it you, Yellow? It was you. It was probably you. Chickna means smooth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah.
I am pretty
Yeah,
smooth, bro.
Definitely.
Smooth operator.
Because somebody said that to you because you came to the stream freshly shaved and then
I think I
somebody-
shaved and I had a
Yeah.
haircut.
yeah, and then somebody said you look so Chikna.
Yeah.
We got shaved George before GTA 6. Holy.
Oh, I was clean. I shaved the mustache.
Yeah.
Was that the time? Oh,
Yeah,
bro, I remember that was the worst week of my life without the mustache. That's never happening again.
It was definitely YOLO.
YOLO.
Now, Pranav remembers it way too accurately. I'm starting to think it was him.
This looks not bad if we get a closure like above now, and we don't
Yes,
drive too
yeah.
far.
Yeah, this is my last closure. I think we'll call it after this.
Yeah.
W.
So 10 minutes left to the stream potentially, gang. If you want to ask some questions, because we're only going to be live in the new year again. Fire away. But we ain't spilling too much.
Oily.
Slippery.
Oily, bro. It's slippery.
Greasy.
Greasy, bro.
Nah. You see, I'm taking the second one. I'm taking the
Glossy.
colloquial one.
And
Handsome,
glossy.
attractive. That's what
Glossy.
I'm taking. Thank you, Chavla.
I'm
Thank you.
glassy.
It was Chavla, bro.
Yeah,
Chala.
Chavla, why did you lie? You have been banned from the next giveaway.
Ooh, a giveaway ban. It's a serious offense.
I did say thank you. Yeah, that's what I thought, YOLO. That's what I thought.
Bugs, tomorrow's news is not the one to full put on.
Nah, it's not. I was just joking earlier. That's some weak rat folder.
Yeah.
Really, you want to do it on CPI or NFP?
Or FOMC.
FOMC, yeah.
I'll be back again.
And then
CPI,
Also-
FOMC, and NFP, but NFP has been very moody these days, you know?
yeah, I think there's like some news events where you can expect a quick push, and some where price might get confused and spike up and down. So you gotta look out
Yeah.
to execute on the right ones if you wanna do that.
Yeah.
But we will get into that.
Yeah, that's him, Chala.
Yes, Tamer. Tamer. Sometimes depends on the news, and then it also depends on the state of our accounts, I would say, right? So if you got a fully healthy XFA close to a payout, you wouldn't be full margin in that, or like we don't full margin, but you know, you wouldn't send that in a high impact news trade, because it wouldn't make sense to risk all your profits. But if, let's say, you took a payout and then you come freshly from a payout, and maybe your drawdown is low because you just took a hit, it does make sense to then maybe go and wait for a big news event and take opportunity of that to get the drawdown back. But it's always depending on how much you're willing to lose, right? If you're willing to lose these accounts, then that's a green card.
Guys, one thing I can promise you is that what a lot of noise is there in the trading industry, where somebody says do this, where the other person says do that, and then they say, okay, don't do this, only do this, that, blah blah blah. We're gonna break all of those boundaries down and show you how it works, how account management works, how if you have multiple accounts, how you can leverage news on that. We'll show you how to, just move around markets, have your way around the markets. Not every time market is gonna move the same. Some months are purely for consolidation, some months are purely for trends, some months are purely for fake outs and choppy ranges, choppy price action. You can trade each and every day, in each and every season, in each and every session. It's just, you just need to get an idea of
what the price action is doing right now, and based on that you see what kind of plays do you have. Based on that you refine what kind of plays you should take in these market conditions. This is what we want you guys to see and experience. It's not just like keep taking um a trade just because the setup has presented itself. No, there are a lot of ways to it that you all can understand, and that only happens when you are in a community where there are people that are also trading different kind of strategies, you know. um but if they have a common ground, let's say all of us on the stream, we all trade kind of differently. However, we have the one basic understanding of price action and of setups, of reading the candles. That we all have that as the common thing. And on top of that, there are additional layers that each and every person here has added based upon their own individual personality. And very honestly, guys, very honestly, let me just put it very bluntly. Find anybody, find anybody from last year who has results like us. Mic drop. I've said what I've said.
W.
Yeah. We'll post some results actually. I'll post some results later today in the payout section.
If I start doing that, bro,
That's the point, AB. That's the point.
Yeah, we'll do it next year, like month by month, like you know.
yeah,
You don't have to rush.
Yeah.
bro. This year I
We'll
would
just do it
then-
all again, even more than we did this year. So it doesn't even matter.
Over just the last what? Yarosh and me calculated right over the last 3-4 months. I think I'm sitting at like 30 payouts as of now. 30
Yeah.
payouts in 3-4 months.
W, bro.
Like holy purpose, bro.
From
Sorry,
blowing
sorry.
from blowing like 30-40 accounts in that time
Yeah,
to
bro.
getting 30-40 payouts.
Yeah.
And that's where
Big W.
everybody can get.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Purpose. Yo. Purpose.
Yes, sir. Bro. Purpose,
I
I'm
haven't
so
seen
happy
Purpose
to
in
see
a
you.
while. Man's an
So
OG. Great to see you, bro.
W.
Oh, dude.
Let's go.
Okay,
W,
you know
bro.
what? All right. Chat. Drop a number between
No,
one
wait,
and
wait.
77. We are not
We got a
doing-
closure. We got a closure. Wait, 2 minutes.
Just
Yeah,
give
yeah,
it 2
true,
minutes,
true.
baby.
Yeah.
Just relax.
Guys,
But I was feeling that, bro. I like that. I like that.
That's 2 minutes.
These
2
buys are
minutes.
looking pretty good.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, they're looking good.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
just
Let me make some
do it.
money back so that we can send more money out.
And we might actually get
Beautiful.
some.
You guys understand? This is what we're gonna be doing in Little Sum Sum. Giving our money to you guys.
like we said earlier, we're gonna be very community focused. Very. And we wanna
And if
be
we are
relatable.
not, then
too.
please hold us up to it because
We wanna be relatable.
hell yeah.
Push.
Alex, yeah, definitely. As soon as my XFAs hit 2K, I take out 1K. That's the first and the most important step. That's it. Other than that, I don't aim for any amount. I just aim for getting 5 XFAs and taking 5K out every week. That's the base plan. And if the accounts are doing good, a little NFP action, nobody knows nothing.
Nah, CPI, bro. NFP is very emotional lately.
That's true. Yeah.
Let's give it time, gang. These buys are semi going without us, but
Yeah.
it's okay.
It is how goalie is today.
We got the
Good thing it's barely
chain.
non-debit.
Guys, quick question. Can I also execute on the strategy? And
No.
if I trade the lower time price? Ah, shit. All right, guys, no more second giveaway.
Yeah, look, if we get a bottom wick,
I'm gonna check
retapping
this
like
on combines.
20.6, I'm interested just on combine.
Yeah.
Like,
We wanna see it come down to those wicks right here.
Yeah, it needs to come down because the 30 is also about to tap resistance.
But we're so close to all-time highs. So price might just, you know, run up, break the all-time highs, and then come back
Yeah.
down.
Yep.
Or just keep on running. We never know. All-time highs might get a little off.
You looking good for sales too. Okay. Looks like everybody's logged in. The talks have stopped. Hold on. There's a 25-second delay. Okay. That's big.
Yeah, that is big. That is big, but
Yeah.
we'll have that fixed.
Yeah, because if people want to follow me on the 1 minute, bro, 25 seconds, I'd be out already.
Yeah, we will check on how to fix that.
Yeah. By the way, guys, the volume and everything, people in the chat, guys, you like it? The volume levels and anything else that you guys might be picking up right now? Any kind of feedback, suggestion, improvements, that would help.
Yeah, sure. You can also send it in the Discord
Yeah.
and just tag us.
Any particular reason, George, that you want the bottom wick till 21.5?
Yeah, because the 30s, the entry is basically at the 30 resistance. And I would need a pretty safe stop loss, yeah, if I want to enter at that resistance.
Okay, question. What do you mean by a safe stop loss?
At least a confirmation stop loss. So usually if we have a breakout and we get a decent stop loss, it's not really a confirmation stop loss. We're just like, it looks, that's deep enough. But this for me is a confirmation stop loss because at 20.6, it will be retesting on the lower time frames. It will retest the zone. And if we bounce off from there, I would consider that a safe stop loss.
Okay. I like that. However, another question then. If you're saying that the 30 is at resistance, the entry, wouldn't your SL, let's say if it's a safer, steeper SL, wouldn't
Yeah.
that be kind of like risky? Because now the break of the highs would then just be like 7 pips from the actual 30 resistance, right?
Yes, but I like it on the 15. 15, has clean range until 28.5, which is 40 pips away.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, now I see it. Yeah. Yeah, because of the 30 resistance is actually to play out, then it can also like play out right now, and maybe we never get activated on this.
Exactly.
However, from a price action standpoint, we've just broken into the next range again, and now having some kind of a reaction. So, if we are supposed to continue bullish during the post London pre-NY session, I think this could be the trade. But
Yeah.
yeah, let's see.
A Purpose was our 100th member to join the
Hey.
Discord. W Purpose.
Welcome.
100 members on Discord, 130
Thank you.
subs on YouTube. Damn. W guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Benji! What up, my brother? How are you?
Baz looks solid, man. Baz looks solid.
Yeah,
Ish.
true. It looks solid to me as well.
Yeah, I might give this a shot on the combine. We tapped 20.6 perfectly, and we did get a reaction off of it, so let's see.
And boys, turning my camera off for a bit.
There you go, bro. Thanks, Purpose. Thank you, brother.
Purpose, brother, thank you so much.
Give me very blessed, bro.
Dimmer than stay at MGC. If there's some kind of fear going into GC, then just don't.
If you studio Streamlabs. Right now we're using OBS. Yeah.
So happy to see so many familiar names.
Yeah, bro.
And some OG traders too, bro. Like
Yeah.
Seriously.
the real traders,
Okay.
not like the snowflake traders.
Yeah, not like the signal. Sorry, let me not say that.
Yeah.
But it kind of feels like it feels nostalgic seeing all these names, you know.
Georgia, you said for an entrance on the 5 minute the 15. I was on the 15, but now that we rejected and now we're breaking those again, I might
Hold on.
remove my buy stuff, yeah. Because now we're entering into the 1 hour closure, and currently the 1 hour does not look good for buys.
Yeah.
So yeah, just solely looking at the 1 hour, I'm gonna be deleting my buy stops. If it drives, it drives. I don't really care. But yeah, I was looking at the only times I look for the 5 minute is during high times of volume. Like yesterday, we had a really nice 5 minute support during a high time of volume, and I really liked it. But now gold is just moving so slowly. I would not look for a 5 minute yet, no.
Also, we are approaching what 4 a.m. NY time. So
Yeah, so at this point, it's best to wait for New York probably.
Alright, Mugs. W, bro. Hold up. Wait a second. Yanush, can I do it now or nah?
Yeah.
Like it's.
You could do.
Yeah, there's no
I
trade.
was just
There's no
waiting
trade.
for the closure.
Alright,
you wanna
guys.
do it with the Nightbot? I can also put it on screen then.
Yeah, we can do it on Nightbot.
Right.
Don't
But
leave
this
yet,
time-
mugs.
Alright, chat. There's gonna be another giveaway. But Alex, if you win it, you don't get 2 combines. You just get 1.
You've been scammed.
We're gonna do a number between what, AB?
We do it. Okay, everybody is supposed to type just one number, a random number between 7 and 77. All right, who's it gonna be?
What is 77?
Now, put bro 7 and 77. Let's just go full.
Oh, that was my bad.
Full Cristiano vibes. 7 and 77. Just one number, boys. Everybody pick just one number. Okay, Vane. W.
Let's see. Who will get it?
Who will get it? Who's gonna be the another one? Alright, traders next door. W.
Close.
W number,
Shala was
though.
close. Oh shit, Shala about to win again. Are you kidding me?
He switched it up. He switched it up.
AJ.
Yeah, everybody's switching it up.
AJ won.
Is it one?
Yes, sir.
76.
Yeah.
Hey! Don't listen to chat, bro.
Hey,
He's still typing.
Jay.
He's still going. He doesn't know he's winning. He has already won. I think it was 72. Nah, 70.
Yeah. 76. Ah, so close.
AJ.
Guys, Nightbot already
W's in
posted the
the
winner.
W's
W.
in the chat.
Good job, AJ.
Who won? AJ, let's go.
AJ.
W.
Double it and give it back. What? Nah, bro. I mean, I know I have money, but holy.
WAJ. W, bro.
W boys.
Congrats.
Let's go.
Congrats, guys. All right, guys. I think it's time to call it then.
Yes,
With
sir.
that being said, it was a W stream.
think it's time for-
George, it's time for
Yo.
what, Lewis?
It's time for Aaron to hit them push-ups.
Oh,
Oh,
It's
shit.
time for
Yeah.
Aaron to hit the push-up.
What are we at? What are we at? How many likes we at?
We are at.
'Cause that's how many I'm gonna do. I don't care if it's 5.
We are at 38.
Ah, really?
Hell,
I
gonna
see
go low.
39, bro.
you see
I'm gonna go
39?
Insane.
All right,
Yeah.
let's do 40 just to
Can I-
be safe.
We also need
Can I hit 42?
we also need suggestions for the outro song.
Right, y'all.
Any wishes?
Can you play Mullah by Connor Price?
You gotta send
Let's
it.
get it. Hey, who's doing these push-ups with me? Anybody?
Should I send it on YouTube?
Okay, Aaron.
It's
Fine.
on Discord. Oh,
YouTube link or?
yeah.
Hey.
I'm
You
starting
guys want to
immediately,
do the
bro.
push-ups with us?
Starting immediately.
All right, let's go.
I
Ready?
would.
Begin.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
Energy! Yo!
34,
Energy.
Hey, energy!
Good
No,
morning.
no,
Don't worry about Aaron in the background.
George, I thought you were doing push-ups.
I
Yeah,
didn't, Lewis.
it's
I
been
didn't.
done. Paid my dues for the day.
Devil is in the chat for energy. High energy. We are about to
I'll
say
be right-
bye
Hey,
energy.
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 Yo.
Energy.
Energy.
Ah,
Great
Alright,
to see
guys.
you. Yeah, well done.
Yep.
W, Aaron, W. Guys, we are gonna call it, but before we do that, George, Mr. London, would you like to give our fellow viewers a bit of a top down before we leave?
Yeah,
What do
yeah,
you
I
think?
can.
You
I'm just a
can.
little bit
All
out of
right,
breath.
over to you, Mr.
Right.
George.
Whew.
Okay, forgive me for being out of breath, but I'll do it quickly. This previous 4 hour closed bearish. There's still 2 hours. This could just be the 4 hour topic that is printed now. We've kind of tapped this resistance, so it could very well flip and come down according to price action. But again, just look how bullish we are, right? So you never know what might happen. So just be cautious of the sells. The 1 hour time frame is also kind of tap target, but if we want to push, we should reach these all-time highs. Yo, I'm out of breath. Woo! Yeah. But honestly, if you do get somewhat of a strong resistance on the 1 hour to fill this range, it looks pretty decent, I would say. But just be very cautious with the sells. Be quick to manage, maybe quick to BE and quick to partials, just because of how bullish we are. Let's just mark up this 1 hour zone.
Mark it up.
Mark it up. This is the same zone on the 30. Sells below this does not look bad to take advantage of this range. I would say it's actually pretty decent. Just try and avoid being faked out because of how bullish we are. Obviously, buys above here don't make sense because how are you managing that? But maybe we can see on the 15. Yeah, on the 15, if you get another closure above here during a high time of volume, you could easily fill this range. And again, sales below here look pretty decent. Yeah, these sales actually look pretty good. You can target this zone right here.
Yep.
For a high management zone, and then 4TB can be down at 04.5. But still overall bullish for me. I think for everyone else as well. But sales look clean and buys look clean. So just understand what the markets are giving you and trade accordingly, I would say. That's it for me.
W.
W. Guys, just trade if your setup forms. Trade it if the setup is formed and then the higher time frames are aligning. You all know what to do. It's just the day you stop relying on some live stream or the day you actually decide to test yourself on your education, on your level of knowledge of the markets, that is the day, everything changes. Of course, you might take 1 or 2 losses here and there, but they go out of the window very quickly. So yeah, with that being said, W analysis, George. W boys, Aaron, George, Lewis, Janusz, thank you for pulling up. Guys in the chat, I don't know if you all feel it when I say that it means a lot to see you all here and see all the support that you guys are showing us. It really means a lot, and I'm speaking on behalf of each and every member. Thank you so much. We'll be back in the next year. And when I say next year, it's technically just a few days away. We'll be posting a lot of stuff on IG. We are gonna do this different, and very honestly, if you don't want to take a trade right now, it's all good. Maybe just wait for NY. You already got like big hitters that are trading NY. I don't know if Nick and TDE are trading, but again, like TDE is like one of the best streams out there that you can join for NY if you need a bit of guidance. But that's only the case till we launch fully and till the time we don't think about starting NY sessions, because when we do, we're gonna take it all. So yeah, guys, that's it.
Sure.
That's me, Ibn Mike, one of the boys at the Lil Sum Sum. And thank you for coming in. That's it. That's me. And with that, Yanush, you can cue the outro track, and if you guys want to say something,
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for pulling up.
Peace, man.
We'll see you guys shortly. Just stay tuned. Aaron, AB, Lewis,
Peace,
and you know.
boys.
Peace, gang. Peace,
Look,
peace, peace.
I used to chase the rewards. Nowadays I feel rewarded by the chase. Funny how that works. Guess I had it backwards. A lesson to be learned in everything I'm striving after. Back when I would want it faster. Shifted in the second gear. Had to make the message clear. Did it on my own. Blood, sweat, and tears. Never fear. Y'all was never here. You was just some jealous peers. Always in the game. Playing Snake like Metal Gear. I could polish off and never clear. Top it off with 7 beers. Still don't trust nobody else to ever steer. I'm the only person that would never veer. Hopped in a van. Watch it go. Van Gogh. How they lend an ear. How many can we fit up in the bandwagon? Funny how the ones stood me up, can't stand it. Numbers going up, my cell at the Grand Canyon. Loving how I climbed to the top, Van Damned it. Whoa, yeah. Shout out to the new ones. Whoa, yeah. Shout out to the day ones. Whoa, yeah. Shout out to the real ones. Whoa, yeah. Shout out to the fake ones. I learn a lot from my enemies, so I keep them close. They show me what I shouldn't do, so I'm keeping notes. One thing I'm noticing, a common thread between the foes. Money over morals, it seems that's where the evil grows. Don't get me wrong, go get the money, you need a home. But when it's all you think about, you predisposed to a life where you trying to make the deepest hole. Keep on getting farther, but the light never seems to show. Thought the seeds will grow, but it decomposes. In the red, getting split like the sea of Moses. Greed is hopeless, we learned it from the Greek and Romans. Feed the homeless and reach atonement, cause it ain't about the money, ain't about the moolah.
Shine down. Hey, delay my satisfaction. Manifest versus action. I'm barely scratching the surface, cause what you know just a fraction. They trying to disturb my peace like I got an Atlanta accent. Say money's the root of evil, but tell me what's evil backwards. Yeah, tell me what's evil backwards. Sometimes change the perspective will give you a different action. I told you boys that I do it, you simply watching it happen. The base is low, then I'm bad, and I'm driving slow and fast when I'm praying to the Almighty Jehovah Jireh, that one. Gotta keep my composure. People say anything behind closed doors for exposure. Sometimes seeking closure can open up a can of worms with all the dirt I'm doing. Swear they probably just gonna keep on growing. Don't listen to Connor when he says it's not about the money. Cause let's be real, you know he got a lot of money. But I get it, it's not the end goal. It's really just the asset, a vehicle to get to where you didn't go and get to where you get to grow. And money will magnify what you been know. So if you lame and get rich, you gon' be, man, you get it, bro. Do this for the click, if I'm going and they coming too. You might throw up at the budgets that I'm running through. I used to chase the money till I realized it was running from me. Now scratch that, I made a plan, now I'm the one that is running too. Fast track to that is doing what you love to do. 100x the investment in myself when y'all lost faith. I knew that it was coming through. The difference is you did it for the cash and I did it cause I wanted to. Though it's not about the money, it ain't about the moolah. Even though it came, praise hallelujah. Saying that I changed, I probably never knew ya.